how you know we're in LA. All this clutter, broken streets, a lot of homeless people. It's just busy, it's dirty. LA's not that glamorous. Not unless you're in like the prime of Beverly Hills. Just finished up a healthy keto meal.
It wasn't keto.
Not at all.
Oh, a lot of carbs. Don't do this, guys.
But I only had a few slices. Then we had some
only few.
mozzarella.
Like 90% carbs.
So we're out here enjoying a bite to eat. We got Olaf. We're gonna be filming a fun video. If you want to give yourself an introduction, we're gonna film some videos of us driving, having some fun and whatnot. But let people know who you are, what you do, all of that.
So I'm Olaf from Europe. I got into business from the Hayden cars in dropshipping, and then I completely diversified it. I do car rentals, real estate flips, with like rentals and shit.
Heck yeah. Use that dropshipping money to start other things. He's got more cars than I do by far. It's so awesome. And he's got a Porsche out here too that he rented, which you guys will be seeing that. So here's one of the original students. You're definitely probably up there with one of the most successful, which is crazy.
That's
crazy to think about. I don't really know because I don't know 100% the exact numbers, but that is crazy. So yeah, we're gonna go film some videos and have some fun. So we're up here in Hollywood and we just grabbed the bite to eat right across the street from RDBLA. And if you guys know what that is, take a look. You can just barely see, I'll zoom in, a chrome purple drop top. It's a Dawn. Look at this, right in the corner at RDBLA. Absolutely crazy. Like, look at that. That's chrome purple Rolls-Royce Dawn. That's gnarly. And there's like Lambos and stuff, everything in the lot. We got Olaf's Porsche, someone else's Mercedes. Olaf's absolutely crushing it, okay? And so I'm gonna go through, we're gonna make a video or two with him, separate videos talking about a lot of different stuff that really helped him, because he focuses a lot on high-level Facebook ads. And I went through and I showed him exactly what was inside the 2.0 program, because that is, as you guys already know, the newer e-commerce program. And it's a lot more than just pre-recorded content, but it focuses so much on Facebook ads. That's what I do every day. That's how I make my money. That's how Olaf makes his money. Now he does other things too, like car rentals, and has done multiple other businesses as well, but he's been able to do that because he made the cash flow from e-com. So it's always kind of fun to see, really cool to see that progression. So we're gonna get on our way. I'm checking into my Airbnb in like an hour, because my first one was a scam. They never showed up. So got a different one and we'll be good to go.
Still the champ. He's got
still got it.
The fucked up eye.
It's official, baby.
The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why I come from. The only thing we know is the bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm doing mine, 'cause my mom.
Wasn't ready for that one.
Oh shit.
He wasn't ready for that one.
Wow. All right, we got the car here right at the Dream Hotel.
Right here,
My man.
team No Sleep right here. Shout out to Bose right here.
Solid. Recognize the plate from St. Paul, Minnesota.
You already know, in St. Paul, Minnesota, one of the nicest people in the world. Shout out to Austin Patty, you dig what I'm saying?
Boom.
And doing big things with him right here, Bose, man. Shout out to Hayden, man.
Hell yeah.
Big e-commerce next wave, man, for real.
Boom, there's
Man,
that.
young entrepreneurs, young moguls, man, for real.
Yes, sir.
Future moguls.
Living it up at the Dream.
We gotta make this happen.
It's done, bro. Brian, it's already locked in. Trust in the process.
Hang out with his friends. We gotta make it tonight.
Lit ass pizza spot.
Hey!
Here we are. All right, Brian, where we at? Oh, it's 2 a.m. at the Dream Hotel. He's blasting fucking.
I gotta make sure that he's not sleeping.
They got a flight out at 6 a.m. What time is it now? Like 2?
Like 2.
2 a.m. There you chill. Dream Hollywood. Got the beautiful view. We're dipping out. We gotta go. What are we doing right now, Brian?
Fuck bitches.
We're about to go make new friends.
Take the LB Supreme $5,000 hoodie. I can't even talk to 2 a.m. We're a little sloshed. Hey, he was. Hey, He was smoking with Wiz Khalifa. Yo, show him the picture real quick.
Yo, I'm just gonna show y'all a sneak preview.
Look at that view.
Look at this sneak preview.
Now this dude literally rolled up with Wiz.
Look.
And grabs his joint. Oh my gosh, hang on.
There's me.
Boy.
And there's Wiz. It's Chun.
What the fuck? Yo.
Hey, what's up? We're out here in Beverly Hills.
Yes, sir. They spotted us. We got Ferrari in the building too, and special guests. Subscribe to their channels.
We gotta crop them out.
Oh my gosh. And so that just wrapped up a crazy night. It's like 4:30 a.m. right now. I'm about to finish up a little bit of work that I have to do for some stuff. I have a very early morning meeting tomorrow, unfortunately at like 8, which is actually today, this morning, so I gotta get up for that in like 3 hours. Gonna go there and then come back here, take a nap, and then get back to regular work schedule. So definitely interesting, a lot of fun. Went up to this crazy party. I was actually shredding Mulholland earlier with Olaf, as you guys saw, and driving up through the hills and everything on Mulholland Drive, and saw this crazy chrome blue Ferrari 488, McLaren, gold i8, all this stuff at this crazy house that I've seen before because I almost rented it to throw a party. And fun fact, later tonight after the Wiz Khalifa after party, I went to an after party, and then an after party at that house. So I winded up there with all these. It was crazy. So absolutely unreal. I'm about to go to bed after I finish up a couple of quick things here. Actually, not on that laptop, on this one over here. And just like that, it's about like 3 or 4 p.m. right now. I got back at like 6 after we were done partying last night and having some fun at this crazy mansion party on Billionaires Row, which was unreal with all these people. We got my OG entrepreneur friend. There's 2 of them. There's one coming through today. Dennis and Noah. I've known them for over 3 years. We used to knock doors selling for this company, like door-to-door sales. In the middle of winter in Connecticut, wherever that is, doing door-to-door sales with gloves on, a big jacket. It was terrible. It literally was. This was like 3 years ago. And it's crazy to see the progression. Now Noah's out here with his girlfriend. They flew out first class and he's able to take care of them. It's crazy. So big shout out to them. He's back in LA. He's actually Ubering here right now. It's gonna take about an hour. So I'm gonna try, because there's some traffic, I'm gonna try and go take my car. I'm gonna go get it washed. Hopefully I'll have time for that, but I gotta grab a bite to eat first. And then Brian Ferrari, who you guys saw last night as well, missed his flight yet again, so he's gonna come through and kick it. And then later tonight, one of my homies who actually lives right next to me in Newport Beach just got a house up in the Hollywood Hills, so gonna go kick it there, have a little bit of fun tonight as well. But other than that, we gotta finish up this work, because that's what it's all about. That's how we're funding all this. And I just filmed a video, actually, and I need a haircut, but I just filmed a video talking about why I turned down a $20,000 a month job offer at 18. It was very simply because of the financial reasons, but you guys should go check out that video. I think it's on the channel before this, but if not, make sure to check it out. All right, we got Brewer in the house. What are you drinking? His bourbon. Yeah, no, this is so satisfying to open. It is way too early. Brian is still sleeping. I'm trying to get some work done, but we got to check out in like 20 minutes or less. All right, we're trying to leave, but fucking Brian over here. Let's just lay down. 2 seconds, 2 seconds. All right, well, we're 40 minutes past now. We need to get in the car and go. And we're heading out to go grab some breakfast. Family dinner, except for Ray. Ray can't eat. Don't lose the abs, boy. Careful. It's on the program. Oh no! Shit. All right, me and Brian decided to stay in LA until, well, it's almost 1 a.m. right now, Tuesday morning. Meeting up with a lot of people, you know, 100 million in a year with e-com, manufacturing stuff, people killing it with all these different stuff. So many amazing connections. And Brian, appreciate that. Brian is the plug for a lot of people, so we had an amazing time. He's coming down with me now to Newport. We'll probably be back in LA soon. We got so many meetings, so many things, so a lot of bigger money stuff coming in. So it's gonna be a lot of fun, beyond excited, beyond blessed. And gonna show this kid around Newport, so we'll have some fun. How was the day? We'll give him a quick recap.
It was hype, man. It was cool. You know, I appreciate the kind words. It was cool bringing a lot of cool people together and everyone being able to collab and just kind of mini mastermind. I'm hyped, man. I'll have to check out Newport.
Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, we had a lot of different stuff. Like, you know, people in the, you know, on 1600 Vine, in the fitness space, you know, hanging out. I'll probably throw in some Snapchats and stuff. I don't want to like give, you know, people away or keep privacy and stuff, but definitely a lot of fun, a lot of different connections in a ton of locations. So super excited. So now we're headed down in the middle of the night. Got a little drive, and I'm gonna end this off tomorrow morning, or technically this morning for you guys. So I'll see you down there.
Let's get it!
Hey!
I'm gonna go master my damn money. I'm not gonna dabble. I hope that it stimulates someone in a way where it becomes a blessing in their life.
Right. He just tried to fight me. All right, you guys, and just like that, I'm gonna close off this video. We gotta put this light on me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one of LA. It was kind of crazy. I actually did not film about, I mean, almost all of the interesting stuff, just because, you know, I didn't bring my camera into like the event or the party, the after parties, anything like that. Obviously, like not inside of any clubs or, you know, meetings and stuff. So did want to definitely show it. I'm sure I threw in some different Snapchats, but I definitely did want to show, you know, because a lot of people keep asking for me to show a little bit more about what I do behind the scenes. So here it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, you know, showing what was going on. Met with a lot of people. It's inspired some new partnerships, new business stuff, new travels. So super excited about it, but excited to be back home as always. Very excited getting back to work. Actually, it's like midnight or so, maybe 11 p.m. right now the next day. So just been working all day, got a ton of stuff done, and gonna keep continuing to get it done. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, and as always, let me know in the comments below if you want to see some more vlogs. They take a lot of time to edit. So again, the only thing I ask, because I do this myself, is that you subscribe to the channel. We're getting close to 100K subs. Like this video you saw, this is multiple hours worth of editing. I love it. I do this stuff because these are more entertaining videos in my opinion. You need to throw that in the mix versus just business content, because, you know, work a lot, play a bit. So that's kind of the rules I live by. So it's funny too, this will probably get less views than anything else unless I were to clickbait it like crazy. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts, your feedback, and your opinion in the comments down below. And with that being said, I'll be seeing you tomorrow in the next video. Peace.